Welcome to the flicktastic world of Kugo, where finger-flicking fun meets creativity. Kugo is a brand new dexterity game, but Kugo is not just a game, but a whole flicking experience in a box. Inside, you'll find a world crafted from solid wood. Every piece is a creative opportunity to build tricks, obstacles, and game terrains. At the heart of Kugo lies flicking a small wooden disc that we call the puck. Master the art of puck flicking to navigate through challenges, outsmart your opponents, and enjoy endless entertainment. Kugo lets you unleash your imagination and invent a variety of games, from quick tricks to fun party games to longer strategic adventures.
The unlikely origins of Kugo started during COVID. One of our boys was bored flicking a bottle top, and to beat that boredom, we challenged him to flick it through a goal, and now he was hooked. And so were we. We crafted new pieces to make new challenges and new games, and that was the birth of Kugo.
We're a family-run business dedicated to creating games that stand the test of time. Our commitment to sustainability is unwavering as we craft all our games from solid wood. Our games are designed to be enjoyed by everyone, regardless of age or ability.
We're excited to announce 2 Kugo boxes, Tricks and Play. So what's the difference? Kugo Play is the ultimate gaming kit designed for unleashing creativity and building intricate gameplay experiences. With Kugo Play, players can construct larger structures, embark on longer games, and delve into complex team-based challenges. And for those seeking instant entertainment, there's Kugo Tricks. It's smaller, more portable, and perfect for quick games, party fun challenges, and tricks. Choose your adventure now with Kugo Play and Kugo Tricks. Get ready to experience thrilling gameplay in a whole new way.